Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In this video, we're diving into the top best foods, remedies, and supplements to help clean out your liver and kidneys. Our liver and kidneys play crucial roles in detoxifying our bodies, filtering out toxins, and maintaining overall health. A well-functioning liver and healthy kidneys can boost energy levels, improve digestion, and enhance your immune system. Throughout this video, you can expect to learn about specific foods and natural remedies that support these vital organs, along with the benefits of incorporating them into your diet. Let's explore how to nourish your body and promote optimal liver and kidney health. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding liver and kidney functions. The liver and kidneys are essential organs that play vital roles in maintaining our overall health. The liver acts as the body's detox powerhouse, breaking down harmful substances, metabolizing drugs, and filtering toxins from the bloodstream. It also produces bile, which aids in digestion. Meanwhile, the kidneys filter waste products from the blood, regulate electrolyte levels, and balance fluids in the body. Together, these organs help maintain homeostasis, ensuring our bodies function optimally. Keeping your liver and kidneys healthy is crucial for preventing disease and promoting longevity, making their care a top priority for everyone. Top foods for liver health. Certain foods stand out when promoting liver health. Leafy greens such as spinach and kale are rich in chlorophyll, which helps detoxify the liver by neutralizing heavy metals and chemicals. Beets are packed with antioxidants and betaine, which support liver function and enhance detoxification processes. Avocados are another powerhouse, containing healthy fats and glutathione, aiding liver cleansing. Additionally, they provide essential nutrients like vitamin C and E, promoting overall liver health. Incorporating these foods into your diet can significantly enhance your liver's ability to detoxify and function efficiently, improving overall well-being. Top foods for kidney health. Supporting kidney function is essential for overall health. Certain foods can make a significant difference. Cranberries are well known for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections and promote kidney cleansing due to their high antioxidant content. Apples are another excellent choice, rich in fiber and anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce the risk of kidney disease. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel provide omega-3 fatty acids that can lower inflammation and support kidney health. To incorporate these foods into your meals, try adding cranberries to salads, snacking on apple slices, or enjoying grilled fish as a main dish for a nutritious boost. Natural remedies for liver detoxification. Detoxifying the liver can be effectively supported by several natural remedies. Milk thistle is renowned for its active compound, silymarin, which protects liver cells from toxins and promotes regeneration. Dandelion root acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out toxins and improve bile production, which aids digestion. Turmeric contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, supporting liver function and detoxification. To use these remedies safely, consider taking milk thistle supplements as directed, brewing dandelion root tea, or adding turmeric to meals and smoothies. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Natural remedies for kidney health. Enhancing kidney health can be supported by several natural remedies. Nettle leaf is known for its diuretic properties, helping flush out toxins and excess fluids and improving kidney function. Ginger is another powerful remedy known for its anti-inflammatory effects that can help reduce kidney inflammation and support overall health. Parsley is rich in vitamins and antioxidants, promoting kidney cleansing and urinary health. To incorporate these remedies into your daily routine, consider brewing nettle leaf tea, adding fresh ginger to smoothies or meals, and using parsley as a garnish or ingredient in salads and soups for a nutritious boost. Supplements for liver support. Several supplements can significantly aid in liver health. N-acetylcysteine, NAC, is known for boosting glutathione levels, a powerful antioxidant supporting liver detoxification. Vitamin E is an antioxidant, helping protect liver cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish oil can reduce liver fat and improve liver function. For dosage, NAC is typically recommended at 600 to 1200 milligrams daily, vitamin E at 400 international units, and omega-3 fatty acids at 1000 to 3000 milligrams. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement to ensure safety and proper usage. Supplements for kidney support. Several supplements can be beneficial for kidney health. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10, is known for its antioxidant properties, which can help protect kidney cells from damage and support overall function. Vitamin D is crucial in calcium metabolism and can help prevent kidney-related complications. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support gut health, which is linked to kidney function and can help reduce inflammation. While these supplements are generally safe, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications, to avoid potential interactions and ensure appropriate dosages. Lifestyle tips for optimal organ health. Maintaining healthy liver and kidneys is essential for overall well-being, and adopting certain lifestyle habits can make a significant difference. Regular exercise is crucial, as it helps improve circulation, supports detoxification, and maintains a healthy weight. Staying hydrated is equally important, as it aids in flushing out toxins and supports kidney function. A balanced diet of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provides essential nutrients that promote organ health. Additionally, scheduling regular health checkups allows for early detection of potential issues, ensuring that your liver and kidneys remain in optimal condition for years. This video explored the importance of maintaining healthy liver and kidneys through the right foods, natural remedies, and supplements. We highlighted key foods like leafy greens, cranberries, fatty fish, and effective treatments such as milk thistle and ginger. Additionally, we discussed beneficial supplements like NAC and CoQ10 that can support organ health. Taking proactive steps in your diet and lifestyle can significantly enhance your well-being. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from these tips. Your health journey starts today.